Hey, Donna Price here, and today we are here for the Womenpreneurs Success Path weekly training. Haven't done this in a while, so I'm excited to be back here and getting something recorded for you to see. So, see if we can get the slides to move. Always a challenge. So, the Womenpreneurs Success Path. Some great things in the success path: leadership, being the CEO of your business, getting clear on your purpose, vision, mission, creating a powerful strategic plan that points you to your vision, values-based, purpose-driven, and making a big impact in the world, because we believe that women business owners, womenpreneurs, are changing the world. The next big piece of the success path is to create a strategic marketing framework to position yourself as the expert, be really clear on your focused niche. But what I really believe in creating your strategic marketing framework is that key there, yours, right? So there's a lot of one-off kind of, my solution works for everybody. I believe that as a womanpreneur, you need to create the strategic marketing framework that's going to work for your business. And we can do that so that it works consistently day after day for your business. And there are some key pieces that should be part of that, but there's not one system that fits every business. So to create your product snowball, so creating products that you love and you want to promote, and launching those, relaunching them. When you look at like my book, Launching Your Dreams, 4th edition now. So we've relaunched that over and over, added new content, added new value, but keep bringing it back because it's an evergreen book that can continue helping people. And then one of our key strategies is creating a membership portal for recurring money. And then the 4th pillar of success is to develop smooth operations, creating your business as a well-oiled machine that gives you time freedom as well as money freedom. But part of that is automating your systems, looking at the systems within your business. How can we automate those? And building it all on the strong foundation of your personal self-care, health and wellness, personal growth and development, and maintaining that success mindset. So if you haven't picked up the Womenpreneurs Field Guide, I encourage you to do that. You can get it at compassroseconsulting.com/field-guide, and it gives you the whole framework that we work with clients on right there in a pretty short little book. So today we're talking about what is AI and how can you use it in your business. So AI is really incredible resource that we now have that can actually be really helpful to us in our business. So I'm hoping that I can go through a few slides and then we're going to jump out, if the technology allows it, to look at some different AI. All right. And the slide needs to move again. There we go. So what is AI? Hello. So artificial intelligence, we all know that, right? Designed to take over a process that we usually do. So AI has actually been around for quite a while, right? We've been seeing AI in different ways for years and years now. And now it's kind of exploding, and that's causing some anxiety and fear. But remember, it's been here. So it does require input, and it's going to give you output. And the output that it gives you is going to be based on the input that you give it. All right. And the basic idea is that that output is going to save us time, which for me has saved me incredible time. And I'll show you some of that. And that save time allows us to be more productive or more profitable, right? So we have time. Maybe it allows us to go out on a bike ride or go for a walk or a hike or whatever our thing is, do yoga, spend more time with our kids, but it saves us time. And that is a really cool thing. So it has specific applications in the online parts of your business. So it can help any business, whether you're an online business or an offline business. So, like I said, been around for a long time. You might have had used text-to-speech tools in the past. So Dragon Naturally Speaking was one that came out, I don't know, maybe almost like 15, 20 years ago. So been around for a long time, right? And then we saw that we could do that in Microsoft and other programs where we could convert our text into speech. So in online business presence, one of the tasks that typically requires human input is that content creation. And we could possibly hand a lot of that over to an AI tool. But there's a learning curve, right? We all have to learn it, and we have to figure out how to make it work for us. So can you overcome that learning curve? There's some AI content creation that are considered easier than manual creation, for sure. You need to understand what an AI tool can do and what it cannot do. That is like a bad hair fall there. So can't do everything. And tools range in cost from free, low cost to expensive, just like everything, right? And some of them do require a monthly payment. I'm going to show you Midjourney, which doesn't require a monthly payment, but is better with a monthly payment. And we have a video course that will walk you through a lot of these tools as well, that I'll tell you about at the end. So mastering tech is part of our learning curve as business owners. And I believe that you want to learn some of it, even if you decide you're going to outsource a lot of it. Just like with marketing, I believe that you want to learn the strategies behind your marketing and not just outsource the whole thing to somebody else. So this is another place, because you're going to be using it to create content for your business, your online presence. And your goal is to increase income and save time. So when customers are reliably able to access every experience you want them to have online, then you can have more customers coming back more often and ultimately generate more profit. So, like I was saying, requires understanding of the technical platforms. That understanding can lead to your consistent action, and you can increase your marketing activity with a solid understanding of AI content creation tools in your online business. So, not lots of ways to do it other than just getting in there and getting your hands dirty and practicing. So let's look at a few of the AI tools. So the first one we're going to look at is ChatGPT. Okay, so here we are logged into ChatGPT, and to get signed up, you have to go to OpenAI and sign up for a ChatGPT account. And once you've got that account, then you're able to log in and, using prompts, create content. So lots of cool things you can do, but you also have to spend some time in chat teaching chat about your business. So you can't just start off saying, write a business plan for a flower business. Well, you could, but you want to start off educating chat about it. When you use GPT-4, then that's a paid version, and then you can add some plugins. So that enables chat to do more than when you don't have those plugins. But you can start off at the free level, see how that goes for you. So some things we might do is start talking to chat about your business. So you might say, let's do it for a bike shop since in a small town. So we're saying I own a small bicycle shop in a small town. I have 3 different brands of bicycles that I sell. I have 2 great mechanics that work to repair bikes. My customers are local families with children. We sell kids' bikes, adult bikes, and accessories. Create a customer avatar for this business. So now we've asked it to do something. The first thing, we hadn't really asked it to do anything, right? So it's actually creating some marketing and community engagement ideas. It's not really creating the avatar that I wanted. So let's go back up here. We're going to stop generating, although those ideas look great, right? We're going to say create an ideal customer avatar. Family-focused Fiona. She's age 35 to 45 years old, female, married with children, ages 5 to 15, middle to upper middle class, lives within 10 miles of the shop. So it's telling us all about an ideal customer for this bike shop, right? Giving a shopping behavior pain point. So you can do this numerous times to get more ideas. So now we're going to take this. I always use manners. So let's do a 30-day marketing plan. Targeting my customer avatar. So giving us some ideas of different things we can do to put our marketing plan together. So we can also go through and ask it to create a social media campaign. I do it in a table, so we'll see if this works. Okay, let's see what we get here. So we've got that 30-day action plan. Now we're creating some social media campaign. See how polite she is, or he is, coming back. So they're doing a 30-day social media campaign for the ideal customer avatar. So you can see how helpful this could be. All right, so you get the idea. We're going to ask it to create a prompt for images on Midjourney, and we're going to move right over to Midjourney. All right, so you get the idea there. So we're going through, it's giving us lots of ideas for Facebook, Instagram, and I could have spelled out if I wanted it on more, but those are probably the best places. So now we're going to see if, so we're going to create a prompt for Midjourney, which is where we can create images. And once I'm going to copy this part for our, we're going to head over to Midjourney, and I'm going to see if y'all come with me. Woohoo! All right, so Midjourney. So Midjourney is a little bit tricky to set up, but you can do some cool things in here. And the first thing that we do is we set the prompt. And this is hard because I can't totally see it. And then we're going to paste in all the stuff that we copied from the prompt that we developed on the other site. And now this is in Discord. So Midjourney works in Discord. And I've set up my own server. So that's a paid version of Midjourney, which a little bit complicated to get it set up. But worth it if you want to get images from Midjourney. I've found that some of the images I like, some of them I don't like so much. So we can see Midjourney's creating an image, hopefully, and we'll look at it in just a second once it's done rendering. See if we can see that image better. So you get the idea there. We've got families biking, and thankfully they're wearing helmets, although not greatly put on. But so we can ask Midjourney to work on just one of those images for us. And here's one of the images. This family, the dad doesn't have a helmet on, so we don't like that. So we might add that into the prompt, make sure everybody has a helmet on, or you can add those kinds of details into your prompting. So a key piece of using any of this technology is in the prompting, and you're probably seeing all over the place where you can buy prompts. And that's definitely one way to do it. In our AI project, we go over how to create prompts, how to use ChatGPT and get signed up, and how to use Midjourney. Don't you love that image? That's from Midjourney. So images that have no restrictions on how you use them is pretty cool. And so in the AI project right now, we cover ChatGPT, we cover Midjourney, we cover prompt engineering. I've got some other things that are going to get added into that course over the next few weeks. And one of them is creating reels, and another is going to probably be video and how to create video. There's some cool tools that you can use for video, and we'll be adding more and more to the course over the next few weeks. So it's pretty cool. Cool. So another tool I wanted to show you is called CastMagic, and this is a paid tool, and I use it to help with putting together information for podcasts, but I also use it for some of the videos that I've created. So what it does is it takes the video and creates a transcript, and then it creates some AI content. So potential titles for the video, some YouTube keywords. I haven't found that all that helpful. YouTube to tweets, questions for the video, threads on Instagram, a YouTube summary. And so one of the things I've found is that this has been really helpful in creating a video and then creating a post to go with the video really quickly. What I like about this tool is that I can also ask it to create, so I asked it to write a 600-word blog post about leadership, vision, and strategic planning. And so it created content based on the topic. I asked it to create a summary of the video, including key points, big takeaways, and I asked it to include emojis and bullet points. So it pulled all these emojis, which I have a hard time figuring out. So I can take it and ask it to create a short blog post about the video with key highlights. And much like chat, it's creating that. And we can see that it's generating that content right now. And with everything, you need to read the content, make sure that it's like what you want. But what I do is primarily use these tools to create content from content I've already created. So I've created a video or I've recorded a podcast, and it's generating content from my content. So let's see what it did here for the short blog post. There we go. So unleash the leader within, key insights from being the leader of your business, which is what I had called the video for some reason. So gives us a quick blog post that I could add to my website. And so just another tool that you can use called CastMagic. I don't know if this will take me back out to the, no. Yeah, so castmagic.io. And you can learn more about how that can work for your business over at this link. And I'll include links with the post. This will end up on my website. So I think that was the last tool I wanted to show you. So the other tool that I'm not quite ready to show you is video. And I've just started working with a tool for AI video. One tool that I've had great success with for video is called Vrew. And I will see if I can open it, because Vrew is a cool little tool that you can download for free. And into the window. Okay, I can't show you Vrew. I have to figure out how to do that. Vrew, VREW. I think it's vrew.io, possibly online. But what I like about it is it will add, and I did create a video about Vrew, so I'll add that on the blog post right under this video for you. It adds captions, was looking for that word there, and it shows you can automatically remove ums and ahs and silences. So if you're a person that when you're doing public speaking goes then you can there you go, right? Delete all those. You can also delete whole sections of your video if you had a big mistake or don't want something in the video. You can just delete that in Vrew, and it's like you just backspace and it deletes it. So it's pretty cool. So the things you need to think about are how could these tools benefit your business, and brainstorm ways to make it work in your business. So I can tell you that you can schedule a business breakthrough session with me. We can brainstorm ways that AI can have an impact on your business and look at the ways you could use it in your business. To do the business breakthrough session, we look at your business right now, where you want to go, where you are right now, and what's getting in the way of you being there. But in this specific breakthrough session, we will also look at AI and how it can impact your business. You can do that at meetwithdonna.com. Thanks for being part of the weekly training. This is recorded, so leave your comments on whatever platform you're on. I will see those comments. I will get back to you. Schedule your appointment at meetwithdonna.com. Would love to have you in the AI project course over at compassroseconsulting.com/course-AI project or something like that. I will have the link for you so that you can get to that AI project and see what it's all about. There are cool new things coming into that program as well. So it's a cool learning space to learn more about AI and get it working in your business. So make it a great day, and I look forward to seeing you again. Take care.